AB company is speaking. How can I help you?
I like to speak with Mr. AA. Please,
Can I ask who calling?
it's someone.
Could you hold on a moment, please hold. Oh, I'm sorry, his line is busy. Do you want to hold or shall I ask him to call you back?
Could you tell him it's someone? I got this message and everything fine.
Okay. Would you mind spelling your name?
SAMUANG.
Thank you. And can I ask what your number is?
Okay, it's 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1.
Okay, it's 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
will see he gets your message.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.